Welcome to your relaxation meditation. Relaxation is necessary for your well-being. It helps you to reduce stress, to refresh your entire being, mind, body, and spirit. It helps you to have a calm and clear mind, which supports you to think positively, to concentrate, to focus, and make much better and wiser decisions. We'll begin by taking a deep breath in and exhaling, releasing slowly, relaxing. Continue to deepen your breath at your own pace. And simply noticing your breath. Noticing how it flows in and out of the body. Notice how it feels in your body to breathe. Noticing the sensations of the air flowing in and out of the nose. Noticing your body gently expanding and softening with every breath. Let every deep breath take you deeper into relaxation. A full mind, body, and spirit relaxation. Taking a moment to scan your body. Starting with your feet. Can you relax your feet even more? Circling around the ankles, moving up the calves, the shins, the knees, your thighs, the backs of your legs. Can you relax and soften your legs even more? Circling around the hips and your pelvis. Can you relax and soften this part of your body even more? Moving up your abdomen, your lower back, your rib cage, your chest, your shoulder blades, upper back. Can you relax your torso even more? Circle around the shoulders, moving down the arms, the elbows, your lower arms, circling around the wrists, your hands, the palms of your hands. Can you relax your shoulders and your arms even more? Let them soften. Circle around your neck. Allow the jaw to relax. Let the cheeks soften. Relax your ears, your eyes. Let your forehead soften. And circle around the crown of your head. Let it be soft. Notice that space a couple inches above your head. Notice your mind and your body being more relaxed, more calm, more grounded, more centered. Know that you can always come back to this feeling when you meditate. The light within me honors, bows, and loves the light within you. From my heart to yours, namaste. For free yoga and conscious living resources, live events, retreats, and challenges, insights and updates that I only share via email, sign up to join my email list. You'll receive more feel-good yoga, meditations, real conversations, and mindfulness resources to live your best life. The link is below and on my Instagram profile. Found this video helpful? Know someone who'd benefit from it? Please share it. Thanks again.